My yard is full of big, mature trees, and they drop a ton of leaves all over my yard. So, this little bagger is not really up to the task. Luckily, I have this. This is the Agri-Fab tow behind 32 cubic foot Mow-N-Vac. It is a universal leaf vac system. It's designed to fit multiple different lawn tractors and works on lawn tractors with decks up to 54 inches wide. It does have a tilt feature. I tend to not use that. Later in the video I'll show you how I like to empty it. But this is a huge time saver for me, cleaning up all the leaves in my yard. I mean, this thing is pretty massive. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hook that leaf vac up to the Powerflow system. So you don't have to use their adapter, you get a little bit of extra flow from the Powerflow. And I have had really good luck hooking it up to that, so let's get into it. All right, we gotta get this attached to this. So first, of course, we gotta remove the old bagging system. I'll get that off real quick. All right, now I'll back the tractor up and attach this. All right, we got that all hooked up. You can leave the old bagger mount on the hitch there. There's a little cutout here. If you watch this video right here, you can see how I got this bagger system all connected, and I showed in that video that it is still possible to have a trailer on with this in place because they made this nice little notch there. All right, now we have to hook the bagger system up to the deck. This leaf vac system comes with this 6-inch hose right here. Connecting it to the leaf vac system is pretty simple. You just slide it right over it, and then you just tighten down the hose clamp. Make sure it's on there all the way. Just like that, nice and tight. But then when you come to this side, you find a little issue. How do you get 6-inch round over a 4x6 rectangle? So I scoured the internet and I found this. This is a downspout adapter. It goes from 6x4 rectangle to a 6-inch diameter circle. Perfect for what I needed. I got this one off of eBay. I'll put links to the eBay one, and I found a similar one on Amazon. So if you want to connect one of these systems right to your Powerflow, that's all you need. And then what I did, I just put it right over the top. All right, you just get it over, and then I took and drilled holes through each side. And now I can stick a bolt through it. I think I made the holes really close, so I gotta thread it through. And you wanna make sure you wanna put the bolt in from the inside out. So just the head of the bolt is protruding into the inside. If you have too much of the inside of the bolt hanging in there, you'll catch debris on it, and then you can clog this, and then that's a pain to get this unclogged. So nut and bolt on that side, nut and bolt on that side, keeps it very secure. And now the hose will go right over it. Usually to adapt this hose to your deck, there's a blank discharge piece that would come up off of your deck here. They come as a solid form. I'll show you a picture here. And they have to be cut to fit your exact mower deck. Now I've had this system through 3 different mowers with all different decks, so I had to cut 3 different of those discharge adapters. And when I ended up using this tractor, I wanted a more simple solution, and that's where this came in. I wish I had one of the old adapters I could show you, but I believe I threw them all away. I can't seem to find them. But yeah, that is why I ended up going with this system instead of using the adapter that comes with the system. And the last thing, it has this hose support bar on it here. Just wrap the bungee around there. That just holds the hose up, so it's not dragging on the ground or putting a little too much pressure on that. But that is all there is to connecting the AgriFab leaf vac to a John Deere Powerflow. Now I'll show you this AgriFab system in action and show you how good it works. All right, just a quick overview on how this system works. As you can see here, the AgriFab unit has its own motor right here. It's got an impeller on this side, which sucks in the leaves from the deck. And that's where using the Powerflow unit attached to it sets this apart, because not only is that sucking the leaves up from that side, it is also blowing the leaves up through the tube into the unit. So it's got a pushing flow and a pulling flow from there. And that really helps with getting leaves clogged in the hose. Sometimes the flow from just the deck itself isn't quite enough to push it through, or if you have really wet leaves, it likes to build up in that discharge adapter that these come with. It's not a huge problem if you're using it alone, but this just helps a little bit pushing the leaves through. And then for the collector unit itself, it has a vent up on the back side here. It might be a little hard to see, but that's open into the container. Because obviously you're blowing air into this unit, it's got to come out somehow, or else just build up pressure in the unit itself. So they really thought of everything with this leaf collection system. So now I'll put it to use, I'll fill it up and then show you how to empty it. Sorry the light kind of sucks back here, but I'm at the back of my property here. I'm very fortunate that my property comes back into the woods here, so I have a place to dump all these leaves without having to take them off site. To unload this thing, you just gotta flip these latches up here. Got a couple pins here. I'll show you. I have a magnet on the side of the unit here that I put the pins. The first year that I was using this, I did not have this, and I lost the pins like multiple times. I always was digging for them, so putting the magnet there, somewhere to keep those pins, was really nice. All right, once you get all that removed, this cover just comes out. And now, like I mentioned before, this does have a dump feature, so I could just tip it back. Once again, the first year that I was using this, I was trying the dump feature. I just found that the leaves weren't coming out very well, especially when they're a little bit wet like they are today. They tend to just stick in there. So what I found works best, grab a heavy duty metal rake. And then you can just pull them out of there. It's a little bit of work, but it's way easier than raking the whole yard, I can tell you that. And I don't have to bag them up or carry them anywhere. Just drop them and get back to picking them up again. So, but this collection system has one more way of picking up the leaves. So I'm gonna go show you that now. All right, the last thing I want to show you about this setup is this handheld hose you can get for the leaf vac. This is not a piece that's included with the rest of the Mow-N-Vac system. This is a separate part number. As always, I'll try to link some stuff in the description. If you have any questions, you should be able to find what you're looking for down there. This is a very handy piece for if you have places that you can't get to with your tractor. If you have garden beds, maybe landscaping around the house, you do got to be careful because this will suck up rocks if you get too close, but this will help you get into areas that you can't get with the tractor that you can reach by hand. Let's get this put on and I will show you how it works. This is a full separate hose attachment piece. The hose is a different diameter, so it is a little inconvenient that you can't just switch this hose onto this adapter. This whole piece does have to come off. So a little inconvenient, but it's not too bad. I have this little section of grass here that I don't mow with the mower, and it would be really difficult to maneuver around with the trailer on there especially. I usually just mow this with a push mower. So for collecting the leaves, I just blow the leaves up towards the driveway here with my Ego blower there. And then I collect them with that handheld hose. So I just park the lawnmower. Such a beautiful thing. Sorry. Yeah, I just park it on the driveway here and then collect the leaves, and then I'll just keep moving it down as I collect the leaves here. All right, that is how I use this Agri-Fab Mow-N-Vac system teamed up with the Powerflow system on the John Deere to really get these leaves picked up. I got to do it quick. I don't have a lot of time to clean this up. It's also a very busy time for my day job, so this helps me a lot. But as you see, I got a ton more to do. So I got to get back to it. If you think this system's cool, please hit that like button. And as always, I have a ton more planned. So if you want to see that, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate you watching. See ya. One moment, I just got to wait for these really annoying people to walk past. One downside to having the woods is there's a path that runs back there. And people walk by and are really loud. I don't remember what I was talking about.